Alright, so this is the driver's side. Undid the brake cable, same system. Comes and you pull out the back, comes out here. You gotta undo this little bolt back there first. So the problem I'm having, well, it's not a problem. When you pull these out, these wanted to twist and move, so I've been putting this pin in behind it while pulling this out to kind of just keep it so it's not binding on the bolt here. It was for a moment there. And basically I'm going to tap in through there and there. I just got to do 1, 2, or the bottom 3 and 4 bolts to pull this guy out, and then I'll have the opposing side. I'm doing it like this so I can keep the CV drive axles actually plugged into the differential, and then when I drop it, I just gotta empty the fluid out of it, put it back in, and then put it up as one solid unit. It'll be a little easier. Alright, so I put the pin in behind this guy, and I actually put a screwdriver down and into this guy just to hold this in place while I undid the rear and this guy down in here on the opposing side. And that made this one come out so much better. So if I were telling you sequence wise, I actually did this one, then this one, then this one. But this one I pinned and this one I pinned, and once I had those, it just kind of helped me figure out this guy. Alright, we're on the back side of the rear differential here. There's a drive axle. Got it just there just because I don't want to drop it on my face. So what it is a 14 and a 12. So I got these all basically undone. I'm going to remove them in a second, but getting ready for, removal of the differential. But I believe these were actually fairly easy to do. I was surprised how easy they were, frankly. But gonna lock nut, they're gonna thing. So I believe I should be able to undo these and undo this, and then this is a separate unit, and I don't believe the fluid is engaged through here, but we'll figure that out in a quick hasty oh shit moment. But I'll have a pan ready just in case there is some fluid in the differential through the drive axle. I have a feeling it won't, 'cause it's just like a yoke, but well, we'll see. Once I pull that out, then it's just this mount. Holy crap, you're close. Alright, so popped out quite easily. I just popped these back in place because then I don't have to, play the whole where'd this go game. And it's all free now from here. I may or may not replace these. One of them looks like it already was replaced. I don't think this one was. And yeah, might be a worthwhile thing. I don't know, think about it. So it's weird though, it's a 12 mil top and a 14 mil bottom, so that's a little odd, but I got a local hardware store, it's got just about everything. Looks all nice and clean. I'm going for here. Alright, so right now I'm going for the differential. This and this guy here. Man, let's see. Basically, I'm doing these ones first. Then, because I mean these ones are gone, and this is mounted right here. 1, 2, 3 bolts. That's the rear of the diff here, and I'm going to use that to hold it up while I remove these two. See that one? So, and then once that's out, get your jack under here because you're running out of support here real quick. I'm thinking somewhere flat right in here would be a good spot. And like I said, I left the CV drive axles in on purpose. And I haven't removed any fluid, I'm just keeping it as a solid unit, keeping it clean. And then I'll have to remove those 3 with the jack here. Alright, so I ended up having to support this while removing the front 2 mounts. To get to the 3 here, I actually ended up having to dismantle the bar here. You just take out the, you know, what's clamping onto here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this guy's got enough to get out of my way now. We're supported via the jack. I just have to pull out these 3. And then basically this whole unit here is going to stay while I remove the differential, and then I'll undo these because I'm getting this out of here too. But I didn't want to have to swing it that way and swing it this way and swing it that way. If I undo this, I can just drop it straight down. It's disconnected and the CV drive axles are out and done. So moving along. Alright, all 3 are removed. CV drive axles are down on the ground to make this a little easier. It's free and clear up there. 1, 2. Now we got the vacuum hose up top. Alright. This is here. Let's see if I can pull it off there, but she didn't want to pull off. That's the final thing to undo here. So I'm gonna take some pliers there, just pull her off the end. Will be a little hard to do that in videotape. I'm gonna drop it the rest of the way.